Today we're at the Canoochee River down here in Evans County. We'll show you the boat ramp, then we're gonna get in the road, get into the river. Boy! Oh, check it out, check it out. Look, there's beautiful back there. Franklin in the deep water, the king. We're about to get on this river. The what? Oh, we have to come up with, we're gonna have to put a stick in there and do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at that good little river, man. We'll catch most fish today.
Me! I know how to fish now.
Be stuck in the Georgia clay. Told me she's from Montgomery, but I've seen those Georgia plays. And every time she gets along with me, I see Georgia on her mind. Well, she's all Alabama, but she's stuck on Georgia time.
Really, girl?
Dad, you probably
Really?
might be just...
Nah, that's a fish on there. Really, Lily?
Dad, I'm trying to...
Really, girl, really?
Dad, I can't put... Oh, it's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah. All right.
Wait, where's the other thing? Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's still on there. Pick it up. Really? Ah, what the? It was a big one.
Oh, wait. How did Chris get here? Dad!
What, man?
I'm missing a spot.
Face it out on me, but I'm still gonna wake up on you and me. I know that last night we let the river talk. I can bet it should have been a little bit more of a go. Would have just tried, wouldn't have felt the sting of a goodbye. If I would have set aside a little more time and a lot more pride, would still be mine.
If you get that out, I come. If you get that out, I come. Come block it.
Don't drop my phone in the water now. It's going to float down, so he needs to throw out and then let the line turn itself off. No, why you let the anchor up? When he throws his pole, he throw it out there. It's gonna swim down here, and then you just put it on there. Don't touch it nothing. It'll tighten itself up.
They said throw it that way, and I'll go down there and I'll tighten itself up.
How'd this thing work?
Mother.
Oh, you have that? Oh, don't swim down with me over here. How do you know if a fish is on it, Dad?
Well,
Oh, that's...
what is it? Thing that floats in the water and pulls down.
Yeah, set this one up on bottom too.
Huh? Lay that one for the bottom too?
Yeah. Fill it up.
Dang, how far is that thing? Where is that thing?
Recording.
Have you ever seen California? Pick a spot on it. I travel out in my bags of pack. Just along side where you're at. I'm gonna have a real good view. I'll go anywhere. Girl, I swear, just say the word. I'll take you there.
It don't stop.
Anywhere.
Some do.
Not the seven one. Why you doing for it? I want you to vote.
To this day, when I hear that song, I see you standing there on that
Where them
lawn.
pliers at?
Discount shades, store-bought paint, lip floss and cut off the road. Well, between that setting sun, I'm on fire and born to run. You looked at me and I was done. We're just getting started.
Ooh, that's a fatty eel right there.
Saying to me, I was so alive, I've never been more free. Fired up
Oh,
my
your mama got
daddy's
one?
lighter and we sang, "Ooh."
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, really, girl.
Stayed there till they forced us out and took the long way to your house. I can still
yeah,
hear
yeah,
the sound of you saying, "Go home."
Oh my God! Did you do that?
I feel like
That's
17. I think about my old dream. I think about the stars in the sky. Funny how
Oh no! I got it. Did you? No. Yeah, it's right there. See, you go fast. You go so fast. Oh no! I'm gonna cut the fish foot. Oh my God! I have to see. Fish are there. I see a fish. Get away from my line, fishy. Fish right here. See, we're in the water.